This screencast is meant to help you navigate the virtual ASLI 2020 class team in Akron. The first thing you'll do is navigate to teachingchannel.com and log in using the top right button that says login. Sometimes your browser will pre-fill the field. If you are having trouble logging in, one thing that you can try is to clear those fields and retype them yourself. I happen to know mine is correct for this site, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now, it could be that you'll see the ASLI 2020 class team in your recent team activity, which is these three teams across the top. These are the three teams that you belong to that have had the most recent activity. Another place to find your team is to click on this link that says My Teams here. It will bring you to a page that has only your teams that you belong to. There's a quick link down here, though. We'll go to Virtual ASLI 2020 class this way. And the landing page is welcome and requirements. So if I look over here on the left side navigation bar, I'll see the whole learning plan. I have 6 modules in here. The first one, this welcome and requirements that you land on, has a lot of information. I encourage you to read that. It also has some good resources that could help you out. Now, towards the bottom here, there are some action boxes. These are really important because there's a progress bar at the top, and that is based completely on the boxes that you check. You're the only one that checks these boxes, so you're the only one that controls that progress bar at the top. When you check the boxes after you've completed them, because checking the box is a statement that you've completed that requirement, you can come up here and you can see this progress bar fill up, which is really encouraging, right? And motivational. However, sometimes people get to the end and they say, I know I did everything, but it still shows that I'm not 100% complete. Well, that if you go back down to the action boxes, you'll see that there is probably a box that you accidentally forgot to check. There is a place down here to leave comments. This is not the place to leave any required comments. This is for questions or comments that you have about fulfilling the requirements of the class, finding information, whatever. These are not required here, and I will not look for your required comments here. To find those and to post those, you're going to go back to the learning plan, the left sidebar here. Introductions is the first one you're going to take a look at, most likely. And you can see other introductions that people have created here. You can reply to any of these by clicking on the reply link. It will open up a box for you to reply. Then once you've typed in everything you want to type in, you can click submit. Now to type in your original post, though, you go all the way to the bottom and you type in this empty box. Once you finish typing in your introduction, you'll hit submit. If you want to attach a resource, a picture or article, video, something to share, you are welcome to click this plus button here where it says attach resources. Notice that when you attach a resource, there will be a button that says attach or save, something like that. That just attaches the resource to this post. You still have to come back here and click on the submit button to actually submit the whole post that you just made. So you'll want to make your introductory post and respond to others here. Now, there are 3 conversations, modules 3, 4, and 5. The requirement for the class is that you make 2 original substantive posts in 2 of these conversations. You can choose which 2 conversations you want to post in. And then you also need to make 2 responses to colleagues in 2 of these conversations. So an original post and 2 responses to colleagues in 2 of the 3 conversations. You choose which one. The last requirement is your final project. When you click on here, you'll find information, the directions, and then also resources here that should help you. You can either email me your project, or you can, which is an action plan, or you can post it here. I highly encourage you to post it here because I think we gain a lot by sharing what we've done. We can get ideas from other people, and other people can use our ideas. So please share it here if you're comfortable. If not, go ahead and email it to me. And if you would like to email me any other questions, if you're having any kind of challenges using the Acklin platform or getting the requirements done, just let me know and I will be happy to help.